Hi guys, welcome to Joe's RC Corner, and today just wanted to do a quick overview of what our next project here is going to be on the channel. If you guys remember, we just finished up the SIG Something Extra. My father has a SIG Something Extra as well. However, it is the ARF version here. And what we're going to be doing to it is we're going to strip all the original covering off of it, and we're going to go ahead and recover that aircraft with the same covering that I used on mine. And he wants it in a similar color scheme. So what we're going to do, just kind of give you an overview today of what the plane looks like right now, and that'll give you an idea of what we're going to be doing, what we're going to be taking off of it, and then making it a brand new aircraft. So without further ado, let me go ahead and turn the camera around here, and we'll go ahead and take a quick look at see what we have to work with. Okay, so as you can see, this is the aircraft here. It's not in terrible shape, but it could use a new, some updating in regards to the covering. There are some major differences between this one and the original one that we just finished building here on the channel. One of them is the cowl. It's got a different type of cowl on here. You know, they're using the plastic. My dad put some vent holes in it to help the airflow go through. The front is not going to be a hatch up here on the top. We're going to go ahead and leave this the way it is because he can get the batteries in. Because one of the things that I did notice is that they moved the spar wing tube a little bit more forward, and it's also a smaller one as well. So that's kind of neat. They also have these huge holes here for the wires to go through. Not a big deal. We'll probably end up leaving those in there. We're going to take out the safety switch here. It doesn't really need it, and we're not going to use any of these Anderson poles. They're great plugs, but they're very big, and they're not really designed for RC very well. So we'll have to adjust some of that. If you look down inside here, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see or not. Probably not. But controls are pretty good. We're not going to do much with those. Probably clean them up, use the same servos on them, but should be okay. We're going to swap out the sticker. I'm going to make a new one for it, which looks more like the original. So that'll be pretty nice. Tail feathers. Now the tail feathers on this, they ended up using, it's more stick. It's actually just a piece up here in the front, a piece down here on the sides, and then ribs. Same with up here. We're going to put maybe a hardwood dowel point on it, roughly about the same as mine, as the original kit, and we're going to put some flying wires on there. I know it doesn't need it, but we want to put them on there so they look similar. And tail wheel, probably end up using that tail wheel again. It's not a bad one. We'll probably beef up the section up here, and instead of using this hard wire going all the way through, I might end up switching this out to a piece of silicone tubing instead. That way it has some shock absorbing there. Wings. The wings are not in bad shape either. We're going to pull all the covering off, and we're going to do the checkers in the red checkers on the bottom, and then the top basically like the one we just finished up. So that should look pretty nice as well. And let's see, I think that's about it. So there's the update of what we're going to be working on the next project. I hope you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and definitely visit us on the recovering of the ARF version of the Something Extra. All right, guys. Well, see you guys later, and see you on the next video. Stay tuned.